nicer swing than you. You're a little quick. You know, you're sort of like trying to bump the ball to first base. Oh, it's all right.
Turn the pause. Better. Hey, Murder?
Okay.
Are you getting him on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, Phil, try one.
No, I don't want to.
Don't want it?
No.
All right, we'll try another try.
George has a nice swing. Keeps the head down, keeps it still.
Pause is on the back.
Gets her body into it. Turns her weight, moves her weight just right.
And let me try an iron shot, right? I'll let you try an iron shot. You gonna get
Okay, yep.
Don't forget, I've got my golf club on it, Phil.
That would make a difference.
Haven't you got a golf glove?
It just don't look right. You look like Babe Ruth hitting a home run. I don't know. It's something missing there.
This is me
Thanks,
putting
Bert.
my clubs away.
Oh, yeah, here, man.
All right, now we'll go in and show you how bad you're looking, TV Pete, with the golf swing. What?
You want to do that now? Your supper time.
No, it's your
No, we're eating. Oh, wait.
Are you?
Yeah, come on in there. Hey, I'm terrible. You look swinging.
All right, now what can I take in, Murder?